In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the crypto code, but I mainly want to spend some time showing you my exclusive bonuses because they are the best bonuses out there if you are looking to buy the crypto code. All you'll do is use the link in the description if you want these free bonuses. We're going to quickly look at the sales page together, but then we're going to dive in to those bonuses. So how to make up to $800 a day in totally automated crypto profits. Eventually, I'm going to do a video that's more on the review side where we're actually going to sit down and watch the full session together, because it is phenomenal. The program is really, really good. I've seen enough of people's direct results, actually even people I knew who got in the program and had really good experiences with it. I haven't picked it up yet because we're doing 1,000 things in our business right now, but I do eventually want to pick it up as well. But at some point, you and I we'll do a video where we actually watch it together and I do live reactions, pausing it and talking through it. Just not for today. So today we want to focus more on the bonuses. So 500 in automated crypto profits, a secret strategy that works fast. Free bonus. This is why it's like almost a no-brainer to come over here and secure your spot, which again, you can do in the link in the description. Watch and participate in the entire workshop, and we'll send you a bonus worth up to $297, which is awesome. Everyone gets a free bonus. This is one of my favorite strategies for getting people to stay all the way through a webinar. And it sounds scammy if you're on the outside, like, why would they give this away? Because they know their numbers on the back end, and people who make it all the way through have like such and such a percentage to buy, and that percentage is high enough that it makes it worth giving this away to people. So it's not a scam tactic. It's actually really, really smart on their part to add things like this because they know their numbers. And at this point, it has the results to actually back up that this is going to be around for a while. So what people are saying about the workshop. So definitely go check it out if you haven't already, or you're welcome to wait until we do a video and go through it together because that'll be a lot of fun. But in this video, I want to spend more time talking about the bonuses that we have for you if you pick up the crypto code. And this video right here is going to change to the video you're watching right now. All you'll do is you'll click the link in the description, and then you're going to click this button. That is going to take you over to register for the workshop. Very simple. And then once you've made the purchase, just email me at info@jakethornhill.com. And then that way I'm able to send all these bonuses over to you 100% for free. So I hate when I do that. What's that word? The bear market. Goodness gracious. The bear market profit blueprint, 5 low risk strategies. So we've done a lot in crypto at this point. I mean, we've done hundreds of thousands of dollars in crypto. One of the things you have to be prepared for is what are you going to do in a bear market? One of the strategies that we have used the most is actually micro trading. So it was very, very good when things were going more sideways. So we were actually losing money when it was going up and down. Not losing money, just not making as much, because our sweet spot was this. And then we found some strategies to actually bake in that were specifically for this. So we were running them alongside. And then when the market started to dip, those started picking up. So there are actually strategies out there that will allow you to make more profit during the bear market. So we go through those with you here. And I love to run them alongside the other ones just as a hedge for when the market inevitably does start to go down. Bonus number 2 is the Crypto Wallet Masterclass, Security Masterclass. This is one of the most important things out there. If you at this point are not aware of how many scams have happened in the crypto world, how many times wallets have gotten stolen, you have to be securing your stuff. So in this video, we're going to make sure everything you have, we have the video script and we have the checklist to make sure you are doing everything you can to lock down your crypto wallets. The 500 to 5,000 reinvestment strategy. So I'm always a proponent of taking something out because you don't want to be a gambler. You want to be taking money from these strategies you're implementing, but we also want to be taking a percentage and reinvesting them. So if you are taking that percentage and reinvesting, what should you be doing with it? How do you do it in a wise way, in a diverse way, where you're putting your money in a lot of baskets? Because this is crypto. Some of those baskets are going to break and you're going to lose things. It just happens. But if we are investing and diversifying our portfolio, it makes it very difficult to lose over the long term. Bonus number 4 is the 3-step no hype crypto mindset guide. So this is one of people's biggest issues when it comes to crypto. It's just like moonshot. Your mindset is just so, I want $1 billion or zero. So we kind of want to get rid of that and just talk about, like, strategically, how can we actually put money in our pockets and in our bank account without losing our shirt? So we really break this down into simple terms. They're not as fun, they're not as sexy, but this is how you should be thinking about crypto, how you think about how much you're keeping, how much you're reinvesting, how much you are diversifying into other things just to make sure we're actually profitable in this industry and not just degenerate gamblers, which there's a season for that. Maybe there's a percentage for degenerate gambling, which there absolutely always is. The next, hidden gem altcoin watch list. So these are some things that we're watching now and that you should at least keep your eyes on. They're not necessarily recommendations to buy, but there are always things that, like, if this happens, this is going to pop off. So we have a handful of these altcoins that are just worth keeping an eye on to seeing if certain triggers happen. And if they do, really good opportunities to jump in. So we're going to give you that hidden gem watch list. All 5 of these 100% for free if you decide to sign up for CryptoCode using the link in the description and then clicking this button right here and then signing up. If you do that, all those bonuses are yours for free. You'll just email me at info@jakethornhill.com so we can make sure you get those. If you want to see a full review of the webinar, let me know in the comments. I don't want to do it if it's something you guys aren't interested in, but if you are, what I'll do is I will jump into the webinar. I'll do a video like this. I'll pause it, make comments on it as we go through, kind of give some of my experience and expertise into crypto while I'm going through the webinar. So I hopefully can help you make a smart buying decision. Truthfully, CryptoCode at this point has enough results that it is a really, really good purchase. And these bonuses are going to hopefully make it a no-brainer for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.